Because the attention of the House is drawn to the delays caused in rescue and clearance operations during disaster incidents. A recent example is the 18-hour rescue operation following the overturning of a Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited LPG tanker on National Highway 66 at Padi in South Goa. This incident highlights the state's lack of preparedness and the highly inadequate mechanisms currently in place for effective disaster management. Disaster management mechanism needs to be toned to the level and type of development that is planned and projected in the state. The delay was because of the absence of local emergency response vehicle and heavy-duty cranes, which had to be procured from Mangaluru and Karwar, respectively. This resulted in suspension of road traffic for 18 hours and railway traffic for 5 hours. The Disaster Management Authority should identify the gaps in this and other areas to ensure adequate preparedness and quick response to the accidents and disasters. It's because I have raised the issue of the lack of preparedness in dealing with accidents and disasters in respect of industrial accidents, industrial fires, forest fires earlier in the House. We have to strengthen the Disaster Management Authority with modern equipment, trained personnel and clear protocol. This is not a major incident and still we took 18 hours to handle it. It's because or whether this disaster management, I mean, Italy also disaster management itself is disaster. Otra all 18 hours we took to get a crane. This type of basic equipment, Mukhil Mantri, you have to look into this. You noted guys.
Speaker sir, I monitor केला ते I स्वतः personally monitor करतालो. फक्त थोडासा problem ते crane आणि याच्या हाती झालो.
मुखार जावपा शिरपणा माशे